This is a Panasonic one-way illuminated switch that has a neon light. If it's off, it will light up. If it's on, it will not. Let's open it. This is the contact. You can pull this out. This is the primary contact, which you turn it on and off. If it's off position, that's if it's on, it goes there. Off, on. That's the neon light, which has a resistor 2 mega ohms. This is where the contact of the spring, that one. So this is just a cover for the neon light. So if it lights up, it will only illuminated on the front and not throughout. Let's put this back. Put the cover. Okay, and these are the contact for the wires. This is a sample of wire. Let's strip it. This is the measurement guide. It's too much. Make sure it's just right. This is where it goes. Let's check where it goes. This is the line side, which this contact point meets. Let's open it. As you can see, these are the locking mechanism, which lock up your wire if you put it inside like that. That's why Panasonic prepared solid, because if you lock a stranded, it will not properly lock. See? That's why they wanted solid tip. So you need this one. This is a solid tip like that. So just crimp it, and it is much better. For the locking mechanism to go through. You can solder it. So this is the second inlet of the wire, which goes to that one. These are this one. If you want to remove it, just press it, and this will guide the locking mechanism to eject the wire. Yeah, let's put it back. And this one, this is the spring. Make sure it's the right